Hello and welcome to another vlog of What's Up, Ravina. Welcome back, guys. It's been ages since I made a vlog with you guys, and today's vlog is going to be very special because it's from Cotswold. And before I show you the beautiful villages, let's quickly have the home tour of this amazing property in Cotswold. I'll make sure I put all the details of the property in the description below. What you wanna? This is one room. Chota sa. This is another room.
Mama,
And
Mama,
this is.
Mama,
Yes, my love.
climb me like a monkey.
Oh, you will climb like a monkey. Oh.
Mama,
Yes, love.
there's a kid carpet.
This property is honestly a dream, a super cozy, very countryside feels. I love how everything is feeling so warm and homely.
What are you doing?
Hello, guys.
This is for you.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is toys. Say hello to mommy.
Hello.
Hello.
Really got
कैसा है बाहर?
Yes.
मस्त है एकदम. आग लगाने का जुगाड़ है. ये दो भाइयों का मिलन. जमाने बाद.
Hello.
एक मिनट रुक जा. ऐसे भी होना चाहिए. हेलो.
Hello.
हेलो भूमि. हेलो. कैसी लगी प्रॉपर्टी गाइस? ऊपर भी देख. अब मुझे रिग्रेट हो रहा है. जल्दी आना चाहिए. हम यहाँ रुके हुए हैं पहले. हाँ
हाँ क्या?
हाँ, इसी की दूसरी साइड पे.
ये सारी मेरे को लगता है ये वो वाली प्रॉपर्टीज ही हैं, एयरबीएनबी.
हाँ, क्या मस्त है ना. आज कोई सोएगा नहीं. कॉफी पी लो जितनी पीनी है.
चालू हो रहा हूँ.
तू आजा मेरे ब्लॉग की फुटेज में. कभी भी नहीं आया. Guys, this is the view we woke up to. I mean, it's beautiful. We had such amazing family time and coffee. If you want to skip through that part, you can skip 2 minutes of this vlog and directly go.
हेलो गाइस. हम लोग हमेशा सोचते थे कॉट्सवोल्ड्स आते हुए कि कॉट्सवोल्ड्स यहाँ किसी दिन रहेंगे. आज वी आर वेकिंग अप इन कॉट्सवोल्ड्स और दिन देखो, धूप निकली है. लुक एट दैट. वी आर वेकिंग अप इन कॉट्सवोल्ड्स. कैसा लग रहा है दीदी कॉट्सवोल्ड्स में?
They have so many books, they have coffee, and they have this view. I don't need anything else. Very nice, very peaceful. Love
वेरी
it.
नाइस, वेरी नाइस. मज़े आ रहे हैं. एक ये रात को हम स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, ये भाई नहीं चल रहा था, तो अभी हम इसको दिन में चला के. कैसा लग रहा है शानू भाई कॉट्सवोल्ड्स?
बहुत बढ़िया.
क्या तूने पहले सुना हुआ था कॉट्सवोल्ड्स के बारे में? सुना हुआ था, बट आया फर्स्ट टाइम है.
हाँ.
क्या बात है. भूमि तू भाग क्यों रही है? मैं
गोल गोल चल रही है.
तू मेरे से दूर भाग रही है. कैसा लग रहा है? हाय गाइस.
Hi guys, I on What's Up Ravina.
वेरी नाइस. और कैसे भाई?
Cheers.
कॉफी बन रही है सुबह
Morning
सुबह.
coffee.
मॉर्निंग कॉफी. सामने
पियोगे या अमेरिकानो?
अमेरिकानो फॉर मी प्लीज. और यहाँ पे से हमारी प्यारी प्यारी गाड़ियाँ खड़ी हैं. ये देखो, ये देखो, क्या बात है.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स.
हेलो.
पी लो.
चाय पी लो फ्रेंड्स.
एक आंटी आती थी. फ्रेंड्स
चाय पी लो.
ये लो.
Morning, Asher. You had fun?
Morning. High five.
Hello. Hello.
Morning.
Fresh now? Yes.
Come.
Go.
Ui. Come. Morning.
Morning.
Ui. Morning. ऐसे करके करते हैं. Morning. You wanna hug Dad also? You will hug everybody.
Look, I'll show you something. Look, in the water. Can you see?
What happened to the water?
In the water there
What
are some
happened to the water?
swans.
कह रहे water तो ठीक है.
You see the ducks?
I have that dog, but that dog is going mad in my house.
Yes. In your bathtub.
Yeah.
Let go.
Oh.
Look. Stand up.
Hug mommy.
Grooming.
Such a beautiful weather and we are all ready. Now we will explore the villages of Cotswold and of course I will take you along. Stay tuned in the vlog and we will explore the most beautiful villages here in Cotswold. So stay tuned and this is the fit check. More than fit check, it's the views which you are getting here. They are more pretty any day. And this is Asha's fit check. Asha, can you show your attire?
I don't rest.
Look up. Hello. Come guys.
Oh, guys.
This is fit check of everyone. Next.
Guys, why are you very close?
Yeah.
Oh, I am wearing black North Face. This from Inverness and. वहाँ से बोलो सर here
Malaika ma'am.
sir
Come.
yes
Next is fit check, please.
What's that?
Wait.
You're going to float in a wheel.
Chalo. So we are now checking out of this beautiful property and the views here are magnificent, guys. Just look behind me and that was the lake we were staying at.
We'll go this way or what?
Yeah, let's go this way and take some photos. Tripod उठा लेती हूँ गाड़ी से. ना.
उधर वो प्ले एरिया वाली तरफ चलो.
हाँ, प्ले एरिया वाली साइड चलते हैं. कुछ चेंज हो जाएगा. Can you guys turn and say hello? Hello. खबरदार रहियो दादा दसे. We are now going to lakeside. वाओ, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. Why is someone laughing? Alright guys, now we are heading out for a full day exploring some of the prettiest villages in the Cotswolds. Pybury, Burton on the Water and the Stock. Let's go! just near the bridge in Baibury, you can find this parking, which is £8 per day. This is the parking you will get. Overflow car park. This is £8 per day, and then you can explore the Baibury village by foot. It is a very small village, I think 5 to 10 minutes by foot. Let's go. First stop is Baibury, and this place honestly feels like stepping into a postcard. Every corner here is unreal, guys. I'm telling you. This is my second time here, by the way, and it is so peaceful, so charming. You just want to slow down and take it all in. Beautiful. We stopped at Cafe 11 for a little break, and honestly, we were not expecting what we just saw. Keep watching the vlog and you will be astonished to see. I mean, there's an actual bonfire going on, and it's such a cozy surprise. Perfect for this chilly countryside weather. Warm drinks, crackling fire, and good company. This is exactly what Cotswold vibes are all about. Hey, Manchu ka hai? And some rose. This cafe is a must visit. This is the waiting area for the washroom. Even this one is so beautiful. We are now walking at the most picturesque street of UK, and it is of the world. I'm so sorry. And this is in the village Baibury. And now we are walking on a street in Baibury, which will give you the most beautiful views here in Cotswold.
हाँ हाँ चिल मारने
Yes. वो देख अपने आप वहाँ से वो मैनेज भी हो रहे हैं. Everybody is in relative motion to each other.
Now we are heading towards our next village, which is Burton on Water. It is again very popular. So without wasting any time, let's take you to Burton on Water. We have reached Burton on Water. But where is the water? Again, a very beautiful, picturesque village. Guys, this village is known as Venice of Cotswolds, and in a minute you will know why we say that. Hello, Asher. Hi. Hello. Now it's lunch time, and we are doing our lunch in Venezia, which is an Italian restaurant in Burton on Water, and it is amazing. So if you're watching this vlog, take all the restaurants we are visiting as recommendations because they were all very amazing. We also shared the famous ice cream just next to Venezia. I think Venezia is selling it or some other place, but there was a huge line, so we thought it must be worth it, and it was. It's a video. The little bridges, the river flowing through the village. This village is so dreamy, guys. If you come to UK, I will highly recommend visiting this village. You must be wondering who is who. So you have to guess. Basically, in this video, I have my brother and I have Himanshu's brother. Do guess in the comments who is whose brother because I didn't do any official introductions. After a very amazing lunch in an Italian restaurant and a stroll in Burton-on-Water, now we are heading to our last destination, Stowe, and let's go. And guys, this is our last stop, Stowe-on-the-Wood. There's something really peaceful about this place. Open space, fresh air, and a perfect way to end our day. By the way, I wanted to mention all these villages are very near. I'll put a map as well. But Byberry to Burton-on-Water is 9 miles. Then Burton-on-Water to Stowe is 4 miles. Byberry to Stowe is 12 miles. So basically everything is in vicinity of 10-15 minutes drive if you got a car.
इसको रिकॉर्ड कर ले दूधिया वाली जल्दी रिकॉर्ड कर ले ये गाय का रे भैंस का
Guys, this is St. Edward's Church in Stowe-on-the-Wood, and this is the most iconic, and the reason is Lord of Rings connection. Yes, you heard me right. It's often called the Lords of Rings church door. I will just take you to that door. Each year, tens of thousands of people visit this historic church to experience its peace and beauty and to photograph our famous North Door, which might have inspired J.R.R. Tolkien for the Doors of Durin in the Lords of Rings.
SST की टीचर ऐसे पढ़ाती थी ना
Yeah.
हमारी SST की टीचर पता क्या बताती थी
क्या?
तो ये भी बताती थी कि ये is it black soil or red soil इतनी डीप पहुंच जाती
हर चीज यहाँ पे 12th to 13th century है. It's everything is so ancient here.
That's when they started invading everybody else outside. They were bored of their small country.
Please take a few moments in the church.
In the church.
Now it's the time to slow things down, and what can be better than high tea for slowing down the time, and hence we are at this place. It felt so relaxing and elegant, definitely one of my favorite moments of the day. And just like that, it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. We will meet soon.
You can do it later.
Yes, later, very soon. Okay? Cool. High five. High five.
Bye bye.
Yes.
Bye. जल्दी में.
चलो ठीक है जी. Bye bye.
तुम में से कौन आ रहा है फिर हमारी गाड़ी में बैठने इस बाय के बाद? बाय.